Hello everyone, this is Chad Fox with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Featured in this video is a 2018 Galleon 640 Fly. Can only give you a starboard side because she is on a T-head. Boat's in very nice condition. Owners have kept up with her. Always had her cleaned very well. Maintenance. Tender pictured is included. We're going to go on and start our walkthrough. So we're going to start with a full walk around to the lower deck. Both the sides do drop down. There are spaces for bar stools and safety line. So plenty of space. And walk around the side. She's pretty wide, very high. So it's safe to walk around while the boat's in motion. There is a side entrance to the inside helm. So the pictures show everything uncovered. So we're just giving you a walk through. I'll give you a look back through at the entrance. The center window door, I should say, does come up so you can walk straight through. It's also real nice whenever you're still, you have everything opened up. Nice draft, nice breeze through the entire upper portion of the boat. And this side also comes down. So you have a nice area back here for eating, lounging. This is also a lounge chair. It does have control on the side, so it does actually recline. And next, we'll go head up on the flybridge. She is currently winterized. So we'll come up on a nice area for cooking, entertaining, drinks, lots of space. Lots of space on the back deck for people to lounge. Pictures of the helm station are also in the listing. Again, plenty of seating, forward sun pads. And I'll give you a look up. They do take the awning out for winter, so if we get some snow, it doesn't collapse it. Now we'll head down. When you first enter from the stern, you have your galley. Lots of space, nice countertops, excellent area for cooking. The side windows, this window and over here, all open up. So this makes for a very, very airy, very social type of entertaining layout. This way you've got people, you can have guests in the main part of the cabin, the salon. Again, I showed you this from the outside. The inside, this can be open all the way. Create a great breeze through the main cabin area. We'll go back and look. And this is, of course, your refrigerator and freezer. So the tops come off of these. They are on a switch and lift up. The table is stored back here to the starboard side of the helm station, of the helm seat. And then you can use this for a coffee table, dinner table, or just as ottomans. And then you turn around and you have a nice big screen TV with soundbar. So we're going to go forward. This is where your first guest stateroom. It is a centerline queen. Plenty of room, lots of storage. Has a vanity, another television, and then you have your head with a very, very large stand-up rain shower with an optional handheld. When we come back through, now go in through the salon, and on the starboard side of your steps to your twin guest and master stateroom. So coming forward, this would actually act as your guest head. If people aren't staying on the boat but need to use the bathroom, this would be the head that they would use. It also doubles as your guest head for the twin berth. There's a bridge in the middle, makes that one very large bed, another television, and area for storage. And then we head in to the master stateroom. Queen size bed, plenty of storage, double seating, vanity with another flat screen TV. This is a nice feature. You have your actual toilet portion of the head and sink is separate from the shower. And the shower even has a separate sink. So you can have a couple people getting ready at one time. And we'll just walk you back out. And again, give you a nice perspective view of the main floor of the Galeon 640 Fly. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go down into the aft area of the deck. This is where the crew quarters, washer dryer, and engine room access is. We step in, immediately forward is washer dryer. There is a bunk bed, there's a set of bunks. Head with shower. And it has an area for sink and a microwave and pretty good lighting back here. All these cabinets down here give you access to steering and swim platform controls, things like that. And then inside of here is your engine room. And that will conclude our video. My information is coming up, so please reach out for a private showing. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and safe boating, everyone.